How to fix the voicemail not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on this apps option again and then tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now from here tap on show system processes and then go to the search bar and search for phone app. Now open the phone app and go to its storage, and from here clear the cache memory of the phone app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and after that the cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing this cache memory, the voicemail will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and here click on system and updates and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings and then again tap on this reset network settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the voicemail will start working properly. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on reset. Go back and tap on software update, and from here update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the software, the voicemail issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix if voicemail is not working on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.